Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing another apartment garden maintenance video, and this is a quick update on the onions that we planted in the last video. They started coming up. Some of them are little thin. I do plan to put some other plants in between the rows of onions, but I'm giving them the water because they have had some a little bit. And this is an interesting part of today's video: the bird's nest fungi, fungus, whichever one. It's the type of fungi that comes out when the soil is damp, and what happens is when there's a lot of water or the soil has been damp for a while, it begins to grow, and they kind of look like a bird's nest, which is why they're called bird's nest. And just in case this is nasty, you can skip by a minute or two, and this part should be over. I don't like how they look. They don't necessarily harm the plants, but I'm not a fan of how they look. So I'm going to take them all out. And the thing with them is, once they start growing, anytime it rains or water goes into the bird's nest, the eggs, or what you call thing on the inside of it, begins to spread all around, and that's how it spreads. So you want to get rid of it as quickly as you can. So I'm going to take them out, and then I'm just going to add some fresh compost in there, and then put some mulch. So this is what the mulch looks. Sorry, this is what the fresh compost in it looks like. This is important. I mean, if you don't mind it, that's help you, but I don't like how it looks, so I'm gonna stick it out. Now I had just randomly poured a bunch of lettuce seeds into a small container and some green onion seeds, and they popped up, but it is way too crowded. So as you can see, I'm pulling some of them out so that I can give the others some space to grow. So that they're not too crowded, and I can have a few that we can enjoy. Right, so I'm doing that here. Now, one interesting thing I listened to, there's this show on Netflix, what's it called Gut Health. And it's interesting that there's a lot of healthy microorganisms that you can get to improve or increase the diversity of the microbiome just from gardening, and your exposure to dirt, minerals, and things like that. Obviously, what you need, but it was interesting to see that the more diverse your microbiome is, the better for your health, and that gardening can be one way to increase your diversity because it's different things. So that's another reason why I want to keep running and get my kids in a nice house soon as they're able to walk. I already show a little boy all of these gardening things, and it's just a good thing. So anyway, I took some of the lettuce out and put them in the container as we just saw. So that's just to see if they feel that will go better. They can see even with a really small container, you can do something. So I want to encourage you that no matter how small space you have, I truly believe that you can do it. And it's just great to have something outside of all the many screen related things we do. So these are my peppers. I have some sweet peppers, I have some jalapenos. They've started coming in, so that's exciting. Yeah, I think this is a sweet pepper. And this is a jalapeno. Yeah, those are doing really good. I'm glad they're coming in early. To be honest, my peppers are doing better than my tomatoes, and the major reason why is that they're getting more sunlight because they are placed in front. My tomatoes, I only have 2 tomatoes coming out, and that was something that I was aware of going into it, but I did not have a lot of space rather than my tomato plant not getting enough sunlight to grow very well. But honestly, that is okay. I get a few and I'm very good.